You're just standing there.
You told me wait.
Okay, go ahead.
Then I will try it. Stop. I will do 5 or 6 times. Let's open and see if it is ready. Not ready. Oops. Can you hold this in your hand? I will look here and look here.
You're gonna look like a robot. Remember the whole thank you video?
Yeah. Let's do it. Why you're laughing like that? Hi. Hi.
No, that's a good idea.
Now be serious.
Okay.
Don't laugh. How I'm making delicious spaghetti soup.
Spaghetti, isn't that asparagus?
I'm gonna try a little bit for namak. Oh, the soup is really delicious. I'm going to make this every single day. Focus or no focus?
Yep, that means that it's in focus. Where are you looking to before the Apple logo?
Yeah, in the center. Again, me. Now I'm trying with the chips. Very refreshing, cool.
What happened?
What is this?
You don't even know what you're making.
I forgot this was dip. This is English cucumber. I said English. Now see, I started laughing. Do it all over.
What? What just happened?
You know what? It was not salt in here.
Sugar looks the exact same as salt, but your eyes just the realization you were just like.
Then since this microwave is connected, I cannot move from
Microwave?
No. Microphone.
It's just microwave is connected.
See, that's why I don't want to go live.
Yeah.
Microwave connected. Okay, hold on. What are you doing? You are stretching.
No, it's...
Microphone.
No. Were you gonna say microwave?
Microwave. Okay, don't show me. Focus here. One side I'm using this American bread.
American cheese.
American cheese, yeah. Oh, I have to repeat that. And this is the pepper jack tea. Oh.
It's not tea, it's
Should we
cheese.
start it again? Pepper jack cheese.
Yeah.
Stop.
Go around those words. You don't have to be exactly the same words. Just somewhere around those words.
There's literally no reason to laugh.
He's busy over there. Can I go now?
Come on.
You're making me laugh.
Not even.
I said delicious coconut. You said, let me try one.
I'm not looking into her eyes. She starts laughing then.
I already tried.
Yeah, but you were
After-
laughing.
Keep on eating. I'll be fine.
Yeah, just gotta have one more.
Ready. I'm going to try one. I don't think I can do it.
More.
The bowl is getting emptier and emptier every time she says
Yeah.
it. What happened?
Then there was only one laddu left.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. How long I have to stand like this?
Alright. What was this for?
Lemon.
Yeah, but what is this lemon for? I was like, what is this for? Lemon.
Now it's ready.
Yeah.
And try it.
Hang on, reset that.
Now
You need to be careful as hell with the. What are you doing?
I am careful.
You almost stabbed me like 3
No.
times.
I was putting behind you this. Now this everything
Jesus
is recorded.
Christ, man. You should probably restate that sentence.
Huh?
You should restate that sentence. You would go like this. Alright, so you gotta get the squash right there and right there.
Some pumpkins to decorate.
Pumpkin seeds. Those aren't whole pumpkins. Just grab like 8 pumpkins.
This is why we are.
This is why we're what?
We are wasting time. So what should I say? Some pumpkin seeds. Yeah, this is. Now you can see delicious squash lettuce.
Lettuce.
Hi, I'm Saroj. Today
Need more enthusiasm.
enthusiasm. Hi. Like that. Thanks for watching. Done. Huh? I said.
What?
I said something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it again.
Okay.
This bottle, I'm gonna keep it. Now what?
Soil and what?
Soil? Okay. I'm making soil for cilantro and fenugreek. Yes, I remember. Meow. 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 Don't record me. And let me bring water.
Okay.
Why you are recording?
I didn't do anything that time.
Now it's me doing it. So,
What was that? What was that?
I cannot record this. So that was my small kitchen garden. No, herb garden. What did you say? You said good wordings. I forgot. I have 2 indoor plants. One is curry leaf. Ready?
No.
Let me know when you are ready. First you take picture and I will see how it is coming in background.
Okay.
Wow.
Picture and video looks
So that was my small herb garden. Let me know your